Morning, teachers.
Good morning, student. Sit down.
Good morning, students. Good morning. Okay, today we will do some experiment, real life experiment, which you can try at home. See, and it is between Europe and Asia. Okay, and this is because of maximum amount of NaCl. What is NaCl? Salt. Salt. Very good. Clap for her. Yes, NaCl is salt. Black Sea have maximum almost 90% of salt is present in Black Sea. That's why if you try to swim in the Black Sea also, you can't swim. You will float. What will happen? You will float. And now today, how Black Sea actually work? We will do experiment here. Okay, how Black Sea will work.
Now this water contains salt, that is NaCl. Okay. Here next I have normal water. Now I am going to put this lemon in this salty water. Okay. Now see, this lemon is floating, right? It's not sinking down because what? It contains NaCl. And in next water, that is the normal water, I am putting this another lemon. Okay. Now let's see the result. What happens here? Is it floating lemon? No. Lemon is sinking down. Why? Because this water doesn't contain any NaCl or salt. Okay.
So you know what is this? Every one of you have this at your home? Now let's see. First I will put in this. Now see. Here. When I do like this, what will happen? Water will go outside. Yes. Anything is there? Where is my water? Inside this bowl? Yes. Now see. Now if I again put water here. Where is water? Inside this bowl or inside this glass? Inside glass. Not even a single drop. Where is my water? Why? Did I block this hole? No. Then how this happened? Because of air pressure. Yes, very good. Clap for this boy. Clap for him. Because of the pressure of air. Okay. Because of the pressure of air.
Here we explain to the children through experiment that which one has a more density. Through this experiment, we explain that the density of a water is approximately 1 gram per milliliter, while the density of oil and the kerosene are generally less than water, with the kerosene having a density around 0.8 gram per milliliter and the oil density typically between 0.7 or 0.9 gram per milliliter, meaning the both oil and the kerosene will float on water because they are less density.
Upthrust experiment. So friends, you can see when we put water inside it, it goes down. It goes down. So friends, you can see when we put water inside it, it goes down. As you can see, the ball goes up. This experiment is known as upthrust.
Clap everyone.
Very good.
Good morning everyone. Today I am going to do an experiment named pressure of air. Now you can see that water is going down. Now you can observe that water is not flowing down because of an air pressure.
Good morning everyone. Today I am going to do direction of air. As you can see, this is box and this is the paper, and we should put like this in box.
Okay.
As you can see, the smoke is coming from down, direction of air.
Here, see what will happen.
For example, there are electrical issues, isn't it?
See how this volcanic eruption happened. When different kind of chemical reaction occurs inside the volcano, it cannot hold it. Okay, it cannot hold. Then what happened? It will come out like this.